Hey everyone, welcome to the second day of the HackerRank problem solving series. And today we are going to solve the minimax sums problem. Let's see the question first. Here we can see that here it is written that given 5 positive integers, find the minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers. Then print the respective minimum and maximum values as a single line of two space separated long integers. Here in the given example, we can see that there are an array is given. The elements of the array are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And here we can see that the minimum sum we can get out of this element are 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, which will be 16. And the maximum sum that we can get out of this element are 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, which is 24. So we need to write a program that will calculate the sum of the array, and it will print the minimum sum and the maximum sum that we can get out of this array, the elements of the array. So what we can do is that it is the function that we need to complete. So I'm solving in C++. We can use C++ 14. And here, first what we can do is that we can solve this in so many ways. But what I will follow is that first we can sort this array as it is in vector. We can sort it with error.begin and so after sorting the array, as we can see here, it is already sorted, but there I guess nowhere it is written that the array will be always sorted. So first we can sort the array, and after sorting the array, what we can do is that we can use an for each loop in num in arr, and we can take one integer as sum equals 0. Here I am taking long instead of int because it is said that here that the answer will be long, and I've already tried using int. It gives us error because the number will be I guess the number in the input will be larger than integer. So we need to use the long in the sum to store the value of sum. So in the sum value we need to add the num each time, and after we get the sum of all the elements in the array, what we can do is that we need to print the minimum value that we can get out of this array and the maximum value we can get out of this array in a single line. Here we can see that 16 and 24 are given there. So what we can do is that we can see out sum is the value of the all of the elements in the array. So we can subtract the value of the first element. So the value of the last element from the array as it is sorted now. So here if we see, like here we can see that here 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 is given. So here we can see that 9 is the highest value in this array. So yeah, every time when we sort the array, the highest value will be in the last and the lowest value will be in the first. So to get the lowest possible value out of the array by summing up 4 elements, we can just remove the last element in the array, and to get the highest value out of this array by removing one element, we can just remove first element and it will be giving us the highest value. So what we'll be doing is just that. So we can remove the last element to get the smallest number. So we'll be removing error dot back. Error of dot back gives us the last element of the array, and now we need to give a space, and then again we can do do is that sum minus error dot front gives us the first element of the array. So we'll be removing the first element of the array to get the highest value and the last element of the array to get the highest value. After that it's okay. So now I think we can run the solution and check if it is accepted or not. So yeah, it is accepted. Now we can submit the code and check for the hidden test cases. Yeah, we can see that all the test cases are passed.